Good morning, America. I'm just chilling here with my auntie.
Okay, let me call the thing first, the place.
And my mom. And can't believe I'm home. It's like weird and surreal. Oh, what? We have a Walgreens now?
Yeah, we have one. You don't know? You're not here yet? They made the Walgreens?
Wala, yung gagawad dito pero hindi pa barong Walgreens.
Sa ano? Walgreens.
So we're going out with my family, and I'm gonna see my ate and kuya today, and I'm gonna surprise them. They don't know I'm coming.
Hey, hey! Ate gaganit eh.
Hi, Parks!
Anal, who is that?
Yeah.
This is a surprise.
So we're gonna be eating at Boiling Point. I've never been here before, but all my friends always post like Instagram pictures and stuff all the time about it.
It'll be like an hour.
Oh my gosh, is it packed? So the wait is gonna be like an hour to eat at the restaurant. Now we're at this store. It's called Uwajimaya, and it's like this big, huge Japanese store.
They have meat.
Rice. All this Hello Kitty stuff. And like noodles. What's that? Yakisoba? Oh no, that's ramen.
This one.
Yeah. We should probably buy it after we eat.
Oh, okay.
Because Japanese candy is the best. I miss Japan so much.
2 quail eggs. Fresh enoki mushroom.
Is that a lot?
Napa.
What else? What's inside already? What's inside?
So this is the one we're getting.
Oh, that's the stuff that's already in it?
It's already in there.
Okay.
Oh, there's Chinese.
They're a server.
Is it backwards?
Just record.
It's recording.
I think recording my face.
Can you do yours too? Because I don't want to get E. coli.
That looks so yummy.
Oh, it's beef. That's right.
You eat raw meat.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yes, they good. Oh wait, that's
You can add that on top.
okay.
Here's your egg.
It's like ramen.
Oh, good.
Won't that overflow? Mabsinaku? Mabsinaka? Ay, kanyaman? Oh, I can finally change my nose ring.
Your mom will be walking.
Okay. Barkley Boo Bear. He's so cute.
Next time.
Wingardium Leviosa!
Shut the hell up! Yay!
Hi, Trisha.
I'm glad you're back.
I'm glad I am too.
Oh my gosh. When did you get home?
Yesterday.
Oh my god.
Hey, Monica. You're so cute. Hi. You're so cute. This morning, or last morning, last night. Yeah, I've been recording everyone's reaction. Oh my.
It's a boy!
Yeah.
Oh, that's such a cute idea.
Congratulations!
2 colors and you pick.
Actually, you can have both of them because it's your birthday present.
Oh, really?
That's smart.
How freaking smart. Monica's got brains.
Accessory is a scarf, so I thought I'd give you a scarf.
Why is my camera so dark?
Welcome.
I thought it was gonna be panties.
I think the hook's still on it. Yes, there it is.
Are there 2 hooks? No, there's just one hook. You need help?
Help her out, Monica.
Come on, where'd it go? So who's coming? Did Shania make a decision? Or what? Okay. Can you see me? I don't think you can see me.
You're so brack. You're brack.
Yeah, there's like 2 cables. 2 what?
I'm sorry. What's up, Anna Banana?
What's up? We got some Frogurt. I love granola. Oh, what the
Wow. Did you just call your sister granola?